Tesla Cybertruck has been making waves since its debut last July, constantly grabbing headlines for its unique uses and impressive milestones. From someone using its hood to chop veggies to one of the first models selling for a whopping $400,000 at an auction, the Cybertruck is the talk of the town. With pre-orders surpassing 2 million, it's clear there's a massive market for accessories. Enter the front bench, a compact trunk seat made from vegan leather, perfect for enhancing your Cybertruck experience. The debate over whether to remove fallen leaves from city squares, parks, and lawns continues to stir passionate discussions among environmentalists. Some argue that overzealous cleaning disrupts urban ecosystems, leading to fewer birds as they rely on fallen leaves to find food like insects and larvae. Despite the controversy, city workers are tasked with maintaining clean urban areas, and their job has become much easier with the introduction of an innovative leaf cleanup system. Featuring a powerful 420cc engine and a 3-meter-long hose with a 20 cm diameter, this system not only picks up leaves, but also shreds them along with other debris in one swift action. Priced at $1,250. Loading your snowmobile directly into your truck bed has never been easier, thanks to Black Widow's Black Ice Ramp. Priced at just $645, this ramp is designed to simplify your snowmobile transport needs. When folded, it compacts down to a mere 44 cm, saving valuable space in your truck bed. Constructed from lightweight aluminum, the Black Ice Ramp is easy to assemble and disassemble by just one person. Measuring 2.4 meters long and 1.37 meters wide, it boasts a solid capacity of up to 680 kg, more than enough for a Yamaha Viking 543, which weighs in at 291 kg. However, there's a catch. The ramp isn't suitable for models with studded tracks. Introducing the Boxer System, a revolutionary accessory for quick unloading that resembles a conveyor belt. Ideal for pickup trucks frequently carrying loose materials like gravel and soil, this innovative system can fully unload in just 30 seconds with a simple crank, no motor required. Installation is a breeze, with no welding, drilling, or cussing needed. The Boxer system boasts a working load limit of 303 kg, and its belt measures 432 by 127 cm. Manufacturers claim this affordable accessory, priced at just $70, will impress even the most seasoned professionals. The hay market is a significant industry, with annual global exports valued between $2.5 to $3 billion, equating to millions of tons of hay. To manage such substantial volumes, farmers rely on advanced technology, including pickup trucks equipped with specialized platforms for transporting hay bales. Among these, the DewEze 800 and 900 series platforms stand out, capable of handling loads up to 1.4 tons. These platforms are designed to fit a wide range of pickup trucks from manufacturers like Ram, Ford, and GM. Last year, the United States experienced a record-breaking snowfall not seen in over 50 years, with more than 12 meters of snow blanketing California's mountainous regions. Experts note that such events happen about once every generation, but there's no telling what next winter will bring. To stay prepared, consider the truck-mounted Plows from Blue Plow, a U.S. company offering plows up to 5 meters wide. These plows feature adjustable wings that can rotate 180 degrees and are easy to assemble without needing to remove the tailgate. Weighing either 442 or 465 kg, these plows are perfect for heavy snow removal. Their hydraulic design also ensures they can handle accidental encounters with poles, making them a reliable choice for winter preparedness. LEER has revolutionized bed toppers, caps, and covers for pickup trucks, catering to a diverse range of users from camping enthusiasts to field professionals. Their 100XR model exemplifies this versatility. Outdoor lovers will appreciate features like mosquito nets, a built-in 12V light, and sliding windows for added comfort. Professionals, on the other hand, will benefit from the retractable platform, perfect for placing tools or taking a quick break. Additional features include an optional brake light and a limited lifetime warranty, ensuring reliability and peace of mind. Founded in a garage in 1977, the Erickson company has grown into North America's leading name in load-securing solutions. Their store is packed with impressive products, but one standout is the Big Bed Extender. This patented innovation enhances the safety of transporting long items like kayaks and lumber by extending the cargo bed of any pickup truck by 1.2 meters, supporting loads up to 181 kg. When not in use, it conveniently folds up for compact storage. You'll likely find the bed step a game changer for easily reaching your new toolbox. Imagine the synergy if the team behind Adapt collaborated with the bed step designers. Currently, these steps are sold separately, priced at $320 each. It's due to several innovative features: self-lubricating bushings, a clever anti-slip surface, and the convenience of opening the bed step with just a tap of your foot. Meet the regularly multitasker, touted as the most versatile tailgate rack system available. According to its creators, this innovative rack can handle a wide array of loads, from bicycles to kayaks, surfboards, and even lumber. It's a real time saver too. You can secure a bike in just 30 seconds. With the multitasker, your loads stay firmly in place, eliminating the need for ropes. The rack is compact and crafted from high-quality materials like Y61 T6 aerospace-grade aluminum and 303 stainless steel. The basic version, which includes a set of universal brackets, is priced at $595. Transform your truck into the ultimate mobile party with the new GMC and Kicker audio collaboration. This powerful audio system is designed specifically for the back of your pickup, turning unused space into a high-energy entertainment zone. Featuring Bluetooth connectivity, all-weather speakers, an AUX input, and 100 watts of sound, this setup ensures your music is always on point. Plus, it includes a USB port to keep your devices charged on the go. And the best part? It operates independently of your car's audio system. At $689, it's an investment that guarantees endless fun and unbeatable sound quality, perfect for tailgating, camping, or any adventure. Nissan Patrol by Shannon's Engineering. What started as a clunker was turned into a jaw-dropping touring caravan, perfect for exploring the vast landscapes of Australia. This isn't just a typical makeover, it's a full-on metamorphosis. They installed a 60L water storage system with a commercial 12-volt pump, added 6 new wheels including 2 spares, and fitted an ARB differential lock with an independent compressor. The Patrol now boasts upgraded SteadyX prototype LED spotlights with a 23 cm diameter and a stunning custom wood deck. To top it all off, the truck received a fresh coat of paint, making it show-ready and road-ready. This transformation proves that with expert craftsmanship, even an old clunker can be reborn as a showstopper.